this is a normal uterus with thin endometrium lining. And this is what happens when someone is not ovulating properly. आपको ये thick lining नजर आ रही है ना? Now, over the period of time, the thick lining abnormal cell growth में progress कर जाती है. And if you have PCOS, wallahi you need endometrial protection and you're supposed to shed this lining on a regular basis. And now to make this happen, इतने अरसे से debate चलती आ रही है medications versus lifestyle. क्योंकि एक तरफ you have your local doctors emphasizing medications और दूसरी तरफ you get to see dietitians who emphasize lifestyle modifications. By the way, I'm a dietitian and I'm not here to put anyone down. And you as a girl with PCOS get to feel overwhelmed. I mean, a bilkul clueless or not knowing which path to choose, right? So let me make this clear. Okay, case number 1. A girl whose parents haven't showed up for 6 months or more. She is on no meds, no lifestyle modifications, and she's just waiting. I mean, she has made peace with it. Honestly, it would be dumb of me अगर मैं उसे बोलूँ जाओ अपना weight कम करो, have a proper workout split, work on your behavior patterns, dietary choices, recovery, vitamin D levels, and blah blah blah. That's a long-term thing, right? For now, short-term में we need to induce periods. और जब एक दफ़ा cycle वापस start हो जाए, now is the time that you take control of your body. Okay, now this is case number 2. ये बहुत common है. And it's about girls who are stuck in a loop of medications for years. At this point, आपको खुद भी पता है कि चीज़ें सिर्फ तभी तक ठीक होती हैं as long as you are taking medications. The moment you stop taking them, you get back to zero. So I guess it's high time कि आप खुद से rationally सोचें when you are going to break the cycle. क्योंकि इस point पे lifestyle modification non-negotiable है. So basically, it was never about medications versus lifestyle. Sometimes you need both, and sometimes you start with meds, and most of the times you get to prioritize lifestyle modifications. I mean, you do deserve to take control of your body.